Alright, here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna cut into the steak here.
That was weird. Don't post that.
I cleaned out the
Never
filters and
ever
stuff.
put no.
Hey guys, it's Fuller Farm again. We're here in the kitchen and I've got another setup here with the Anova cooker. Right now I've got it set at 129 degrees. We've got these big 1-inch steaks. We got quite a bit of beef from a friend of ours that raises beef, and we're going to get these cooking in the Anova cooker for about an hour at 129 degrees. I've already sprinkled some black pepper as well as some kosher salt on all three of these big old steaks. So we're going to get these bagged up and get them into the Anova cooker. Alright, the steaks are all bagged up with the air sucked out, so we are going to go ahead and get these into the water. And just to keep them secure, just using a little binder clip here on the side. And they'll be cooking now for an hour in here. You can also use the Anova app on the phone, so I'm going to go ahead and launch that. Now you can see it says preheating on there, if it'll focus. Because once I put the steaks in, it dropped from 129 degrees down to 126 degrees, so it just has to get back up to temperature. But we can also go into preheating and see the progress there. So current temperature 126.7.8. You can see it should match the Anova cooker exactly. This is with the Bluetooth. So current temperature and target temperature. And you can also control the cook times right from the Anova app. You can set a timer and it'll turn off when you're done. Pretty cool. Steaks have been in the water for now an hour at 129 degrees. And they're ready to take out of the water bath here. So they're all cooked, but we still want to put these in a frying pan on super high and to get them looking nice. Here they are laying out in the pan, so you can see they are completely cooked again, but they do not look super pretty. We're just going to take some paper towels and dry all the excess moisture off of them before they go into the frying pan. Here we go into the frying pan. It's on high right now. We're just going to do about 90 seconds on each side to get some nice color on these steaks. These are already cooked to about medium rare after being in the water for an hour, again at 129 degrees. Alright, it's been a minute and a half. We're going to go ahead and get this one turned over. These guys over here should be ready to turn as well. Again, this is just to give them some color in here. Alright, here's the moment of truth. I'm going to cut into the steak here. As you can see, that's a nice medium rare.
Yummy!
Help, Shell. Look on the other side. try to do it.
That was weird. Don't post
I
that.
cleaned out the
Never
filters and
ever put no bad.
Still recording.
Where's your steak?
I ate it.
Where'd it go?
I ate it.
Good?